Your team is overwhelmed, splitting and labeling countless PDFs. Properly storing and linking documents takes too much time. Our solution eliminates this chaos, streamlining your focus on winning cases. Litigation support teams spend more time managing documents than preparing cases.
Manual preparation adds quiet delays long before cases reach trial.
New hires step in to help, but inherit the same unstructured workload.
The definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over and expecting a different result. Maybe there's a better way. As fast-moving law firms grow, document volume explodes. Case management systems struggle to ingest files at scale. Forcing firms to improvise with storage tools like SharePoint quickly becomes disorder. Where you store documents determines how fast your firm can work. CasePeer remains the system of record. Attorneys continue working exactly where they do today. DocuWare is where documents are understood, so review, preparation, and search happen automatically. CasePeer stores cases. DocuWare stores intelligence. Together, they remove friction.
Do we know what was given at the scene?
Yes, EMS administered epinephrine and oxygen on arrival. It's time-stamped.
Well, do we have it?
There are literally hundreds of documents in here. I'd have to read through all of them. This could take over an hour.
I don't have an hour.
Intelligence files are documents the system reads, evaluates, tracks, and acts on, often across many cases.
Have we seen this provider before?
Yes, 3 prior cases, same treatment pattern.
Have we ever worked with this doctor before?
I think so, but there's no way for me to look that up here. Let me ask Janice if she remembers anything.
Okay, do that.
Case files support legal work. Intelligence files support speed, accuracy, and automation.
Are those numbers correct? This affects the demand.
They're duplicated. Same procedure, same date, DocuWare flagged it automatically.
Good catch. That would have been bad. They're pushing back on the number. Are we solid on the expenses?
I think we're right, but without being able to compare everything, I can't say that for sure.
All right, then we hold. I'm not conceding until I know. That could drag this out.
Some intelligence files graduate into case files once they're verified and ready for attorney use.
They're questioning whether this treatment really happened when we say it did.
It's time-stamped recorded at 3:42 p.m., the same day as the incident.
Good, then we stand our ground. They're pressing us on timing. Can we prove when this happened?
I can't say for sure without reading through all of this. The timing isn't surfaced anywhere.
Then we can't push back. We'll have to concede on this point.
Intelligence files stay available because they continue to drive search, automation, and insight long after intake.
We just got a follow-up request on an old case. Do we have anything showing prior treatment patterns?
Yes, I'm seeing the same treatment noted across 3 earlier cases.
That's exactly what we needed. We just got a follow-up on one of our older cases. Have we seen the same treatment pattern before?
I don't have a way to see that across cases. I'd have to manually open old files or ask around.
We need to answer this today.
I need the Tonelli medical files.
I haven't seen it yet.
Don't tell me you have to split all of those to find it. I don't need fancy tools. I pay my staff to get it done.
1 down, 117 more to go. This is taking forever.
This information has to be captured, labeled, and filed correctly. If it's placed in the wrong folder, it creates problems later. Now watch what happens with automation. Documents are labeled, uploaded, and routed into the correct CasePeer folders in seconds.
CasePeer gives you unlimited storage, but storage isn't the bottleneck. Preparing documents is. From the portal, select and download your bundled PDFs. Drag them into the DocuWare hot folder to begin processing. The system automatically splits OCRs. Files are routed securely to your team for approval.
DocuWare is splitting these PDFs so fast, what a game changer. Now I can prep discovery instead of fighting with PDFs all day.
DocuWare processes hundreds of documents automatically. When exceptions appear, they're flagged and routed for review, while the rest of the work continues without interruption. DocuWare automatically monitors a law firm's inbox, captures qualifying legal documents based on defined rules, stores them in the correct matter folder, and routes them to the right team members for review or approval.
The copier just received the incoming fax. It's automatically forwarded as a PDF to Outlook. The system ingests it, performs OCR, and indexes the data. Then it routes the document to the team.
Legal documents arrive and are organized for processing. They are placed into the scanner for batch capture. The document is processed instantly. OCR runs automatically, extracting key data. Fields populate without manual entry, fast, accurate, and enterprise grade. An important client email arrives in Outlook. With one click, choose to file it in DocuWare. Search and select the matter. Details are pre-filled. Confirmation appears instantly. In Outlook, use the integrated DocuWare panel to search for a client matter. Results appear instantly. Select the needed PDFs. Click Email to compose a new message with attachments. The email is sent securely.
I can start the demand package already, and look, DocuWare has everything in the folder already. I only have to manage the exceptions. Now I can make those follow-up calls.
Looks like I will make that tea time. Chain of custody and verified audit trail. Got to love this new system. DocuWare monitors documents as soon as they arrive.
If SLA is missed, it gets reassigned to prevent it from stalling.
I use AI every day. It helps me write briefs, but when I ask it to find specific information, this is all it can give me. It's just the same vague answers over and over. AI can assist with legal work, but when files are scattered, incomplete, or poorly structured, the answers become inconsistent at best.
Locate the executed bodily injury settlement agreement for the Orlando rear-end collision involving Smith v. Allied Casualty, including any lien resolutions or amendments.
I found multiple files that partially match your request, including correspondence, drafts, and medical records. Due to inconsistent naming and missing metadata, I can't confidently identify the final executed settlement agreement. Would you like me to display all 30 related documents?
That's strange. Let me check this again.
DocuWare doesn't rely on AI to find documents. Structure makes everything instantly accessible. When documents are structured with DocuWare, you don't need AI to search for them. You use AI to produce work. DocuWare handles structure. AI handles output. That's how the workflow stays reliable.
DocuWare is designed for document management. Many AI platforms are not, and the difference is huge. Many AI platforms weren't designed as document systems. That means every time a document is touched, searched, opened, or analyzed, AI has to be invoked. Because AI is required for every interaction, usage and costs scale with activity. The more people work, the more often AI is triggered, and the more it costs. With DocuWare, most document handling is rules-based and structured. AI is only used where it adds real value, roughly 20% of the time, keeping intelligence powerful while costs stay predictable. Legal documents pile up, slowing your work. DocuWare turns this chaos into automated workflows. Index, route, and control your files instantly. I was resistant at first. My son got me to try DocuWare. I'm glad we did. It was a game changer for us. TGI thinking great ideas since 1964.